At GGIS, we believe in making learning a shared journey between students, teachers, and parents. Welcome to Funderstanding, an interactive and fun event where students showcase the concepts they have mastered in school. Planning for Funderstanding starts weeks before the big day. The core team meets to decide if there will be a theme and to highlight what's important for this year's showcase. Once the core ideas are set, teachers take it to their classrooms, discussing themes and concepts with students. Every child has a chance to select and showcase the topic they are passionate about. They put up the why for what they have chosen, adding the relevance and greater buy-in to the process. Students audition for the topics they are interested in presenting. They work on how they wish to present their ideas using their talents, strengths, and understanding. This crystallizes the dynamic groups that work together to prepare and showcase their learning to the parents. 1 week before the Funderstanding, the preparations take a full swing and the timetable is adjusted to give students time to perfect their presentations. They rehearse and refine, ensuring their understanding is clearly and creatively expressed. The process also involves public scrutiny, as leaders and teachers from other grades are invited to review the presentations and share their feedback. Learners get a chance to take constructive feedback and refine their work by applying new strategies and creativity. Parents are invited, and the schedule for each grade's Funderstanding showcase is shared. As the big day approaches, teachers and students work together to transform classrooms, decorating display boards with students' work samples and picture evidence of their learning. Every corner reflects the hard work and growth of the students. On the day of Funderstanding, parents arrive to see their children bring learning to life. From math and science concepts to the leader in me habits, students present their learning with pride. The event isn't just about presenting, it's about interaction. Parents, siblings, and even extended family engage with students and leave valuable feedback for the experience.
I just am surprised at how easily they are learning and how curiosity is being sparked. And these kids, they are doing it in such a fun manner. So thank you GGIS, thank you so much, and hats off to the entire team. Thank you.
Happy to see how confident these little kids were. Their concepts were so nicely cleared.
The concept of Funderstanding brings out the essence of how school is focused on being more practical and fun than being bookish.
After the presentation, each section hosts a potluck where everyone celebrates the hard work and collaboration that made Funderstanding possible. Funderstanding isn't just an event, it's a celebration of learning, teamwork, and the bond between school and family. It's what makes GGIS unique, where learning is fun and deeply connected to real understanding and building communities within and outside the boundaries.